Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter 11 and name of the chapter is mensuration. Today we are going to discuss exercise 11.4. In this exercise, we will learn about surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. Now, what do you mean by surface area? What do you mean by surface area? Surface area is the area that describes the material that will be used to cover a geometric solid. Now, we know that cuboid, cube and cylinder are solid shapes. These are solid shape as we will learn in previous classes. What are their edges, vertex and faces? Now, surface area means how much material is used to cover a geometrical solid figure. Now, you should know what is the surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. We will learn about the formulas related to these figures. Now, first one is cuboid. As we know, cuboid is in this way, in this form. And examples of cuboid will be this duster. It is in the cuboid form. Now, we know that in cuboid, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many vertices in a cuboid? There are 8 vertices in a cuboid. How many edges in a cuboid? There will be 12 edges in a cuboid. How many faces in a cuboid? There are 6 faces in a cuboid. Now, surface area can be calculated. There are two types of surface area. First one is total surface area. Next one is curved surface area, or you can say lateral surface area. Curved or lateral, both terms can be used. Now, total surface area for the cuboid will be 2 into length into breadth into height plus height into length. It is the total surface area for the cuboid. Now, what is the curved or lateral surface area of the cuboid? Lateral surface area for the cuboid will be 2 into height. Lateral surface area will be 2 into height, 2 multiplied by height into length plus breadth. It is the curved or lateral surface area. Curved surface area means suppose you have to paint the ceiling and the four walls. So you have to subtract the surface area for the floor. In this way, in this type of area, we use the term curved or lateral. Total surface area, suppose a box. There is a chalk box and you have to find out the total surface area. Then you have to use the formula 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Next is cube. In cube, here all sides are equal. Cube has all sides are equal. So, total surface area of the cube can be calculated as, suppose there is a edge A centimeter. So, total surface area will be 6 multiplied by side. Here side is A, side square, and surface area will be in the terms of square units. Here side is given to you in terms of centimeter. So, area will be 6A square centimeter square. Now, lateral surface area, or you can say curved surface area for the cube, can be calculated as 4 into side square centimeter square. Next is cylinder. Now, what is the total and curved surface area for the cylinder? Suppose it is a cylinder and total surface area for the cylinder is, in this, it is the radius of the cylinder and this will be the height of the cylinder. It is the radius of the cylinder. Now, total surface area for the cylinder can be calculated as 2 into pi into r plus h. Pi can be taken as 22 by 7 or 3.14 as per the requirement of the question. Now, literal surface area can be calculated by using the formula 2 pi r h. Here square units. It is area, so term will be in the, so square units will be the unit of the area. Square units. Now you have to remember all these formulas. Total and literal surface area of the cuboid, cube and the cylinder. Now let's start with exercise 11.4 with question number 1. In question number 1, these two figures are given to you. Now, as this is the figure of cylinder, in this figure here we can see length, breadth and height. All these three are equal. Length, if length equals to breadth is equals to height, if all these three are equal to 7 centimeter, it means this figure will be of cube. Now this figure will be of cylinder. Now in this question you have to find out which box requires the lesser amount of material to make. Now here we discuss what do you mean by surface area. Surface area is the amount of area in which we have to find out how much material will be used to make such figures. In this question you have to find out the amount of material to make, lesser amount of material to make. That means you have to calculate the total surface area for the cylinder and total surface area for the cube, and you have to compare these two areas. Now here, if this total is given to you 7 centimeter, so we can calculate here diameter is given to you 7 centimeter. We can calculate the radius, as we know that radius will be diameter divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 centimeter. Now total surface area for the cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. Here h is also given to you 7 centimeter. Now let's solve this. 2 multiply by pi will be 22 by 7. R will be 7 by 2. Here R is 7 by 2. H is 7. Now 2 is cancelled out with 2. 7 is cancelled out with 7. Here 22 multiply by, we can take LCM. Their quotient will be 1. 1 multiply by 7 is 7 plus, here quotient is 2. 2 is multiplied by 7 is 14. 7 plus 14 is 21. Here 22 multiplied by 21 divided by 2. 2 is cancelled out with 22. It is 11. Now 22 multiplied by 11. 22 multiplied by 11 is 231. It is surface area, so units will be centimeter square. It is the total surface area for the cylinder. Total surface area for the cylinder is 231 centimeter square. Now we can calculate the total surface area for the cube. Total surface area for the cube can be calculated by using the formula 6 multiplied by side square. Here 6 multiply, what is the side? 7. 7 whole square. 7 whole square means 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. 49 multiplied by 6 is 294. 294 centimeter square. Now, total surface area for the cylinder is 231. total surface area for the cube is 294, which figure consumes lesser amount of material. Here cylinder, as total surface area for the cylinder is lesser as compared to the cube, so we can say cylindrical box. So we can say cylindrical box requires lesser amount of material. In this way, we can solve questions related to the surface area. Thank you.